CTP Alpha Company EXO, David James Obrero. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Crisilda Pinto. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Paulina Marie Advincula. First Platoon Leader, CTP Boys, Jomar J. Palmes. Second Platoon Leader, CTP Boys, Jairos Rivera. First Platoon Leader, CTP Girls, Rhea Moran. Second Platoon Leader, CTP Girls, Kayla Nicole Archaga. School Head, Rosemary Miranya. CTP MAPI Facilitator, Patrick Paul Prado. Majorage Coordinator, Hazel P. Ariola. DBC DLC Coordinator, Kichi Magunles. Generoso G. Conmigo, Assistant CTP Facilitator, Sheena Vilheca, Assistant Majorate Coordinator, and Bernadette Carino, Assistant DBC DLC Coordinator. Entry number 1, Category 3 and 4, Goa Science High School, Tagtog, Goa, Camarines. Thank you. Entry number 1, Goa Science High School from Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 2, Jerry La